Hello, welcome to the Parents Math Tutor. If you've already watched my mental math video for parents, then you already have some of the tools you need to start teaching mental math at home. But this video is just for your students. Put them down in front of the computer and I'll go through a mental math lesson with them.
Hi friends, today we're working on memorizing our math facts. And so I'm here to help you with some tips and tricks to make these facts fast and so that you don't have to do math when you're doing these facts in your head. You just can say the answer super fast. So we're going to start with math facts that are plus 0. I'm drawing a number line here because I'm going to use this as my illustration. Okay, so what does 0 mean? If I have $0, I have no dollars. If I have 0 dogs, I have no dogs. If I have 0 basketballs, I have no basketballs. 0 means nothing. So if you have a math fact where you're adding 0, you're adding nothing. You're not changing it. You're not making it bigger. You're not making it smaller. So let me show you on the number line. The first one says 1 plus 0. So I'm putting a dot on the number 1. I want to add 0, which means I want to add nothing. So it stays on the 1. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. It doesn't matter if the 0 comes first or second. So 0 plus 6, I have 6, and I want to add nothing. So 0 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 0. It's just 6. You didn't do anything to the number. Let's do 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 plus nothing is still 4. It doesn't budge. It doesn't move. Okay, we're going to do some practice and you're going to have to quickly recall your plus 0 facts. All right, friends. So we're going to practice some plus 0 math facts. Remember, 0 is nothing. So if you're adding 0 to a number, you're not doing anything to that other number. It stays the same. You're going to have 3 seconds to answer each one, so you're going to have to go fast. I want you to answer out loud as I show you each fact. Ready, set, here we go. 4, 9, 3, 2, 8, 7, 9, 6, 2. All right, guys, did you get all of them? Were you able to say them before I said them at the 3-second mark? Good job. That was a good job practicing. Now we're going to move on to plus 1 math facts. We're going to figure out how to add 1 to a number. Okay, now that we know how to add and subtract 0, let's talk about adding 1. At the top of my screen, I have the number sentences 1 plus 5, 3 plus 1, and 9 plus 1. Remember, it doesn't matter if the 1 comes first or second in an addition sentence, you're still adding 1. We know that when we add 0, nothing about the number changes. So now I'm going to show you an easy way to remember how adding 1 changes the number. It's good to learn these things at first, but after you practice, you should just have your plus 1 number sentences memorized. You shouldn't have to think about the answer. But when we're learning them for the first time, I want to show you that. Let's look at the first one, 1 plus 5. Okay, the 1 is first, but I know that it's the same as 5 plus 1. So I'm going to start at 5 like we did with plus 0. And when you add 1, you say the answer, which is the next number you would say when you were counting. So 5 plus 1 is the next number you say when you're counting. So 5 plus 1 is 6. because when I count, I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the next number I say when I'm counting. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, let's look at 3 plus 1. If it was 3 plus 0, we would just stay on 3. But 3 plus 1 is the next number I say when I'm counting. So the answer is going to be 4, because when I say the next number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is the next number I say when I'm counting out loud. Let's do my last example. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Because 10 is the next number I say out loud when I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I say the next number when I add 1. All right, let's practice. Let's see how fast you can add plus 1 to some different numbers.
All right, friends, it is time to practice our plus 1 math facts. Just like before, you're going to have 3 seconds to answer each math fact. I want you to answer out loud, and then I will say the answer before going on to the next fact family sentence. I want you to try to do these quickly and correctly. Ready, set, let's go. 7. 3, 5, 3, 9, 2, 8, 7, 6. All right, good job, friends. Let's go see if we can practice some plus 2 number sentences. All right, so we've been working on plus 0 and plus 1, and now here we are with plus 2. Once you've memorized that a number plus 0 equals itself, and a number plus 1 equals the next number that you say out loud, then you can start working on plus 2. So let's start with 5 plus 2. I'm going to start on 5. This would be 5 plus 0. This would be 5 plus 1, 6. But we're doing 5 plus 2, which is the next number you say out loud when you're counting. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Let's talk about 3 plus 2. Well, if it were 3 plus 0, I'd already be on the answer, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And my last example is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 0 would be 7. 7 plus 1 would be 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. All right, let's practice some and see if you can get the answer super fast. Okay, friends, this is our last practice for the day. We've done plus 0, plus 1, and now you're going to practice your plus 2 math facts. Remember, the 2 can come in the front of the number sentence, or it can come in the end of the number sentence. As long as you identify which number you're adding 2 to, then you know it's not the next number you say when counting, but the number after that would be the final answer. All right, we've done plus 0, plus 1. Let's get ready to do plus 2. Ready, set, let's go. 10, 4, 11, 3, 9, 5, 8, 6,
7. Wow, good job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. We need to practice our math facts at home. And so one way that you can do that is just with good old-fashioned flashcards. And there's also some good websites out there like extramath.com and Happy Numbers. And they're a way that you can practice your math facts on the computer. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Parents Math Tutor. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Tell others about our channel to help the channel grow so that everybody can have some free math tutoring. See you later. Bye.